Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to invite friends and earn free stocks or money on Webull application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and actually download Webull application if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go actually and sign up to create your account on Webull application. Of course, if it's your first time, go create your account, follow the steps, and you'll be good to start. If you already have an account, just log into your account and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So for me here, I'm just going to open my Webull application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. And here, that will be actually my home or my main screen. So how to invite friends and earn free money. So let me just tell you, you can share your referral link with your friends or family via email or text or even social media. Just share your referral link and receive free stocks when a new user use your referral link to sign up, open a brokerage account and make an initial deposit into their account or of at least $100. If three friends do all of that, you will get 9 stocks on Webull. So simply, if you want to invite your friends, just go here to this menu, click at more, then click here at where is it on my rewards. So error loading that. So I probably have a connection problem. Of course, you'll find here an option called like invite friends. Just go and click on that. And as I said, you can invite them by name, email, mobile phone, or you can invite them by copying the address, the referral link or the address. Then go and send it to them in social media or wherever you want. And as I said, if they do the steps that I already said, you will get free stocks. So that will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching it, and goodbye.